Exercise 7.4, question number 4. The two opposite vertices of a square are -1, 2 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the other two vertices. In this question, coordinates of the two opposite vertices of a square are given, and we have to find the coordinates of the other two opposite vertices of the square. Here in the figure, ABCD is a square. Coordinates of two opposite vertices A and C are taken -1 and 2, 3, 2. We have to find the coordinates of the other two opposite vertices, that is coordinates of vertex B and coordinates of vertex D of this square ABCD. So let the coordinates of vertices A and C be -1, 2 and 3, 2 respectively. This is also an assumption. And also let the coordinates of vertices B and D of square ABCD be x, y and A, B respectively. So here in the question we have taken coordinates of vertex A -1, 2, coordinates of vertex C 3, 2, coordinates of two opposite vertices of the square, and we have to find coordinates of opposite vertices B and D, which we have assumed x, y and A, B respectively. ABCD is a square, so all four sides of the square will be equal. So therefore we have AB is equal to BC, because sides of a square are always equal. So using distance formula we can write x -1, that is x plus 1 whole square, plus y -2 whole square is equal to x -3 whole square plus y -2 whole square. Now expand the terms on both the sides using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So this implies x square plus 2x plus 1, and before that let's cancel this y -2 whole square from both sides. So x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. X square cancelled, so 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 6x plus 9. This implies 2x plus 6x equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8x is equal to 8 implies x is equal to 1. So x coordinate of vertex B we have got 1. Now we have to find y coordinate of this vertex B of square ABCD. So to find the y coordinate of vertex B, let us use Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now using distance formula we can write x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 3 minus 1, that is plus 1 whole square, plus 2 minus 2 whole square. Let us put value of x, which is 1, here in this relation. So 1 plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, 2 into y minus 2 whole square, plus 1 minus 3 whole square equal to 3 plus 1 4 square plus 0 square 0. So this implies 2 into y minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 y minus 2 whole square plus 2 square 4 minus 2 square 4 is equal to 16. So this implies 2 into y minus 2 whole square equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Taking square root of both sides, we get y minus 2 is equal to plus minus 2, and this implies y minus 2 equal to plus minus 2 means y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 4. Therefore coordinates of vertex B are x coordinate 1. We have got two values of y coordinate of vertex B, 0 and 4. So it will be 1 comma 0 or 1 comma 4. So two coordinates of vertex B we have got 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. Now let us find the coordinates of vertex D of square ABCD. Now see in the figure, ABCD is a square, AC and BD are diagonals of the square, and we know that diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angles. So they bisect. Let that point of bisection of diagonals AC and BD be O. So O is midpoint of AC and also O is midpoint of diagonal BD because they bisect each other at the same point. So now let us find coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC using a formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC are x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 comma 2. So coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC are 1 comma 2. Midpoint of diagonal BC also will be the same coordinates 1 comma 2 because point is same. Midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC are the same point. So coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD are when you take coordinates of vertex B as 1 comma 0, then 1 plus A by 2, 1 plus A by 2, 0 plus B by 2 will be coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD. And when we consider coordinates of vertex B as 1 comma 4, then coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD will be 1 plus A by 2 comma 4 plus B by 2. And these coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD are going to be equal to the coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC because midpoint of diagonal AC and BD are equal or same because point of bisection is same. Midpoint of diagonal BD is equal to midpoint of diagonal AC. So therefore we have one plus A by 2, 0 plus B by 2 is equal to 1 comma 2. And taking coordinates of vertex B as 1 comma 4, we have 1 plus A by 2 comma 4 plus B by 2 equal to 1 comma 2. So this implies 1 plus A by 2 is equal to 1 and 0 plus B by 2 equal to 2. And comparing these coordinates, we have 4 plus B by 2 equal to 2. So this implies solving this 1 plus A by 2 equal to 1, we get A equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and one more value of B we will get 0. So therefore coordinates of vertex D are x coordinate A 1, y coordinates B, we have got two values, so 1, 4 or 1, 0. Now see the coordinates of vertex B, we have got two coordinates 1, 0 and 1, 4, and coordinates of D also we have got 1, 4 or 1, 0. So actually conclusion is, when you take coordinates of vertex B 1, 0, then coordinates of D will be 1, 4. When you take coordinates of B as 1, 4, then coordinates of D will be 1, 0. So finally coordinates of vertices B and D you can write 1, 0 and 1, 4. So hence coordinates of vertices B and D are 1, 0 and 1, 4, and this is the answer.